Appleton Estate, Jamaican rum, 8 years. I have a friend from Jamaica. Well, you know. Anyway, what's up, bro? He told me I should have got 12, I should have got 12, I should have got 12. This is only 8 years. 4 years will make a difference. Either way, this is what we had. This is a gold medal. I don't think 12 is. Woo. There we go. Make it pop. Ounce and a half. Close it down. I can smell it already too. And it's not bad. We're going to do this right. So, I'm learning as I do this. I'm in my 30th something episode. But the ones that haven't aged, you can smell the barrel right off the bat. You can taste the barrel too. Smells good. Just the way I like it. Light brown. Yes. Tastes just like this. I'm just playing. Aged liquor is a lot better. I'm learning. And I'm noticing that all the aged liquor that I have tastes way better. Very, very good for sipping and drinking and relaxing, all those types of things. This tastes less like rum than all the other rums that I've had, especially Bacardi. Aged medium. It hits the palates just right. It hits the palates. Give you that, this is the drink I wanted kind of taste. And then when you throw it back, you know, of course it kind of hit like alcohol. But that charred barrel taste just kind of simmer down or whatever. What can I say? Salute.